Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the files, now begin. In Excel, select the exact cells you want to show, then press Ctrl+C to copy them. Switch to Word and place the cursor where the live table should appear. Once done, choose Paste Special from the Home menu rather than regular paste. This is critical because Paste Special gives you the link option. Make sure both files will remain in the same relative folders so the link can find the source later. Now perform the link. In Word, open Paste Special and select Paste Link, then choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object so you can double-click to edit. This embeds a live connection rather than a static image, which is why you can update later. If you need only values, choose HTML or unformatted text link formats, but beware, those lose Excel formulas. Make sure the file path shown matches where Excel is stored. If it does not, cancel and reposition files before proceeding. Finish by testing the connection. Right-click the linked object and choose Update Link to pull current data. You can also set automatic updates in link settings. If you need to edit, double-click the object to open the source Excel file, make changes, and save. Word will reflect updates. If the link breaks, use Edit Links in Word to change the source path or re-establish the link. Make sure both files are accessible and not renamed, because broken paths are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.